Nginx WordPress 101, WordPress Multisite Nginx. Nginx is a popular open-source web server and reverse proxy server that is known for its high performance, stability, and scalability. When used with WordPress, Nginx serves as the web server that delivers the WordPress content to users' browsers. Here's a breakdown of Nginx with WordPress, including its features, cons, known issues, fixes, and alternatives. Features *1. High performance Nginx is known for its high performance, especially under heavy loads. It can handle a large number of concurrent connections efficiently. 2. Reverse proxy Nginx can act as a reverse proxy, forwarding requests to the appropriate backend servers, such as PHP FPM, which is commonly used with WordPress. 3. Caching Nginx can be configured to cache static content, reducing the load on the backend servers and improving response times. 4. SSL/TLS termination Nginx can handle SSL/TLS termination, offloading the encryption/decryption process from the backend servers. 5. Load balancing Nginx can also be used as a load balancer to distribute incoming traffic across multiple backend servers. Cons *1. Complex configuration configuring Nginx can be more complex compared to other web servers like Apache, especially for users unfamiliar with its configuration syntax. 2. Lack of GUI Nginx doesn't come with a graphical user interface, GUI, like some other web servers, which may make it less user-friendly for some administrators. 3. Limited native support for .daccess Nginx doesn't support .daccess. Files commonly used in Apache setups, which might require manual conversion or adjustments for WordPress sites migrated from Apache. Known issues and fixes *1. Permalink configuration WordPress permalinks might not work out of the box with Nginx. This can usually be fixed by configuring rewrite rules in the Nginx configuration file to mimic the behavior of Apache's .daccess rules. 2. File upload size limit Nginx might have default limits on file upload size that need to be adjusted to accommodate larger file uploads in WordPress. This can be fixed by modifying Nginx configuration directives like client_max_body_size. 3. Cache invalidation caching can sometimes lead to outdated content being served to users. Proper cache invalidation strategies, such as purging the cache when content is updated in WordPress, need to be implemented. 4. HTTPS configuration setting up HTTPS with Nginx requires SSL/TLS certificates. While Nginx provides support for SSL/TLS termination, proper configuration is necessary to ensure security and compatibility. Alternatives *1. Apache HTTP server is a popular alternative to Nginx and has extensive support within the WordPress community. It's known for its flexibility and ease of configuration, especially for users accustomed to its .daccess file. 2. Lightspeed web server Lightspeed is a high-performance web server that is compatible with Apache configurations and offers features like built-in caching and HTTP/3 support. 3. Open Lightspeed This is the open-source version of Lightspeed web server, offering similar features to Lightspeed but without some of the advanced features found in the commercial version. 4. Caddy Caddy is a lightweight web server that emphasizes ease of use and automatic HTTPS setup through Let's Encrypt integration. It's gaining popularity for its simplicity and modern approach. When choosing between Nginx and alternatives, consider factors such as performance requirements, familiarity with configuration, and specific features needed for your WordPress setup.